Hi everybody, welcome back to Way of the Wrench. I'm doing a little bit different video today. Today is kind of like an upbeat thing for the shop amidst all this COVID-19 stuff that's going on. And I just thought I'd share some stuff that's going on in the shop and things that got improved before the last weeks or two. There is no more pallet of welding ventilation stuff because it is now installed. So something to look forward to when we come back. We've got brand new ventilation all hooked up. There's the main duct out, and each welding booth that we made last year now has its very own welding arm, all from Niederman. It's all controlled so that when you open up the vent in here, you actually get to turn it on and off, and it increases the speed of the fan on the roof. And this thing is infinitely positionable right above your work, so that now we are not breathing any fumes. Nothing's running past our welding helmets when we're going. So very, very slick system. I only wish we could start welding right now. But so each booth has its very own. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we've got massive 10-foot arms for our bigger welding area, for bigger projects and doing stick welding, etc. And we've got 2 of those, so we can position anything we want here and be totally free of any kind of nasty fumes that we're getting off our welding. So really quite exciting and awesome to be able to show you guys this. Something to look forward to when we come back. But that's not it. We got some other stuff too. So something else to show you here. We had some work done on our old drive-on hoist. It's been removed, so I'm going to show you that. All right, there is our new concrete pad for one of the pads for our new 2-post drive-in hoist that should be going in, not sure when, but soon. And that piece of concrete was okay there, but this one was not thick enough, so it had to be excavated out, jackhammered out, and rebar put in, and a big concrete slab put in. And then there's where our old drive-on hoist used to be. That's been removed and capped and concreted over, so we're not tripping over anything. And all the controls all removed. And we got some space back into the compound as well, because they removed the big tank, the air compressor tank that was needed for running this hoist. So things to look forward to. Wish it was better times, but something to look forward to for you guys when we come back. Cool things happening in the shop. It's getting better and better, and like I said, these are some interesting times that we're living in right now, and something to look forward to when we come back. Please stay safe out there, you guys, and take care of each other. I've seen a lot of nasty stuff on the net, people cheating, profiteering, things like that. Stay safe, be kind to each other, and take it easy.